boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a legendary artist here, Jamiroquai, and he's the man behind Cosmic Girl, Virtual Sanity, amongst others, Space Cowboy, and many, many more. So Jamiroquai, this time with a song called Half the Man, alright? So we're gonna look at this one. We have a short little melody that goes on there, but the main focus will be the strumming, the chords. So yeah, let's dive into this one, and we are going clean, no need for any capo. Why? Because we're gonna work with only bar chords here, okay? So bar chords only. Let's go over the 4 chords that rolls in the same way through the entire song. So we're gonna start with the D7, all right? So that's a bar. You play the bar on the 5th fret. And you don't have to bar the last E string if you don't want to. So 5 strings below, that's necessary. And then you need to add 7th on D and 7th on B. That's a D7. All right, then over to the G7. We're gonna work with the 7s only. And from now on, the next 3 chords will be the same grip, just at different positions. So the G7 is a bar on the 3rd fret. You bar all strings there. And then you need to add 5th on A and 4th on G. Okay. And then, like I mentioned, you're gonna just go down to this position here, the exact same grip, and that gives us the A sharp 7 chord. So the bar finger now lands on the 6th fret, you bar all strings there, and that gives us the rest will be 8 on A and 7th on G. That's the A sharp 7, and the final chord is the A7. You just move the same grip, again, 1 fret away from you. So you land with the bar finger on the 5th fret, and then 7th A and 6th G. And there you have the A7. All right, so that's the chord progression: D7, G7, A sharp, and A. All right, that's the building blocks of the song. Now we have the melody, and yeah, I can just give the notes for it if you want to. So the first will be D7. It goes like this. So that is basically to play the 5th fret A string together with 5th high E. And then you're gonna play 7th B. That's it. Then over to G7 part. You're gonna now play the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with 5th high E. And then 3rd high E from the bar. That's it for G. Now over to the A sharp part. Now you're gonna play this part. So that is 6 on E together with 9 on G. And then 7th on G. And then the final part, the A7, it goes. So that will be 5th on E in the bass together with 5th on B. And then 6 on G. There you have one round, like this. Right? Now, that's the melody into the strumming, the basics of this tutorial here. So we're gonna learn the strumming. So grab the first chord, the D7, and one strumming round I choose to go with is down, down, up, clap, down, like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, and then down, up, clap, down. That's it. So. All right, a couple rounds. Alright, now you're gonna play one of these per chord in the same chord progression. So D7, G7, A sharp to A, like this. Again. And there you have everything you need to handle Jamiroquai's Half the Man. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Goring Guitar. I appreciate that a lot. Very, very much. Thank you so much, guys. And until next time, play tuned.